Do you need probate if your spouse died without a will? Hi, I'm attorney Paul Dery, and I'll answer that question in 5 simple steps. Okay, step number 1, ask this question. Did your spouse have children from a previous relationship? If the answer is yes, then you may not be able to inherit everything. Okay, Arizona law gives those children from another relationship a share of your deceased spouse's estate. And that almost always means probate is required to sort things out, unless you get along really good, really well with your stepchildren. Okay, step number 2, check the title to the house. Ideally, the home is in both of your names with joint tenancy with right of survivorship, or your spouse signed a beneficiary deed naming you as the beneficiary of the house. If so, you can skip probate for the house. But if the home was in your spouse's name only and you're not listed as a beneficiary, then you'll likely need probate. Now, unless the equity is under $300,000 in Arizona and you qualify for Arizona's small estate affidavit process, then you can skip probate. Now, step number 3, let's keep going here because this has to do with that affidavit. Know the limits of the small estate affidavit. If you use the affidavit, you should be aware of the following. If your spouse had children from someone else, they still have inheritance rights under Arizona law. So you can't just sign the house and the bank accounts over to yourself just because they're under that dollar amount threshold. You have to involve the stepchildren. Otherwise, you could, it's unlawful. And you could end up creating a mess for yourself and end up in court. Step number 4, look at other assets. Are there accounts or property in your spouse's name alone with no listed beneficiary? This could include a checking account, a vehicle, even a business maybe. Now, those assets can't transfer to you automatically, and you may need probate or a small estate affidavit depending on the value. And then step number 5, consider other legal reasons for opening probate. Sometimes it's not just about transferring assets. You may want to negotiate with creditors. You may need court authority to handle tax filings or handle other legal matters. Maybe there's a lawsuit going on and you need to be officially appointed in order to finish up that lawsuit that your deceased spouse was involved with. Now, probate gives you that power even if there's no will. So here's a final thought. If this sounds confusing, that's okay. That's where talking to a probate lawyer really helps. Now, you want to get it right so you avoid future legal problems. I'm Paul Dery with Probate Made Simple. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.